here for another video. Today, testing out the fans. I did one ride on them before, but today I actually want to show you what it's at. If you guys can't tell, 159, 158 there. Not bad. I've been running them, actually running this bike for about 30 minutes or so. So it's doing good right now. I put some engine ice in there, topped her off. I got a hose that has a little hole in it, so I put some electrical tape on it. Hopefully that holds. Other than that, I'm just going to be testing that out today. And then also practice some wheelies on these back roads here. Warm up here. Let her eat. Say hi to these guys and say what's up. So now I'm really trying to work on my lean when I'm up in it, because that's what will stop me half the time. Alright, so I hope I'm not in picture mode. I know my GoPro does that sometimes, so if you guys want to, if any of you fellow YouTubers out there know about it, got it in the way, what a dick. But if you guys know about the photo setting, I guess, on there, where it's, you just click it, takes a picture instead of shooting the video, let me know how you guys fix that or how you can prevent that. That'd be awesome. But idling, it's like 180-ish, maybe even less. Today it's been like 170s, so way better than the 220 I was having earlier. I was getting up to 225s, and that's hot for this thing. I feel it in my legs, so glad I did that. Ah, here we go. This is my goal here, is to get this whole stretch. Going too fast. There's another stretch on this road that I want to get hella bad too. This is the second one I want to get here. It's hill and all that. Oh, you can go. You can go. We'll get it by them. Not bad, but trying to show off a little bit, you know. There it is. Alright, let's go. Got the scrape bar coming, so I should have a video out on that. next week actually I'll probably do it, and I'll probably post this one here shortly. Sorry for not posting. So like I said, I'm gonna be posting every week, and to make it up, I'm gonna be posting like twice a week hopefully, especially with these weeks now, because it was raining a little bit. I was sick, so I want to get back to vlogging. Truck. Looking for a truck, honestly. If anyone knows where I could get a cheap truck for the blinker. Yeah, if you watch these videos, you know where I can get a truck, let me know. I need one for next year. I want to try and travel and get some more content for you guys. I'm trying to go to some big rides, practice all spring, and hopefully be able to get up to at least a good wheelie. That's all I'm looking for right now, is just good wheelies. I'm gonna perfect the wheelie and then get going on some other shit. For this one. Yeah, I don't know why it gets so squirrely. If you guys can tell me that too, that might help out. Maybe it's because I'm going too fast, but I see people swirl and then... Dope as hell, boy. That's dope. Oh, that looks dope. That is a sick Bel Air. It's like a 1990 or 1956 through 9 probably. Definitely do this all day. Scary. my god. Woo! Y'all saw that. I'm glad I got that one on camera. Landed right in the fucking middle. Hopefully I can put it right here. And then, man, that sucked. But all you gotta do to get out of that, I swear to God, is fucking full throttle that bitch, and you'll get right out of it. Not again. Started going in that fucking spot. Let's go. Could use some lunch here. But if that's all we get for today, guys, this is Peaks Wheels. Peacing out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit a like. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys next week. Remember, be safe, stay lucky. Have a good weekend. Peace.